Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to show you guys how to make a copycat Subway spicy Italian. Alright, first of all, I have some bread right here. You guys don't have to go to Subway all the time. Go to the store and buy you some bread and stuff like this. I got this from Sam's Club. Alright. I have some bacon right here. There's probably like about 14 slices of bacon. I have some Monterey Jack cheese right here. I got some hard salami right here. Okay. I have some pepperoni right here. Okay. All right. I have some ham right here. And I have some turkey right here. I have some banana peppers. I have over here some red onions, some green bell peppers, some cucumbers, and some tomatoes right there. And this right here is my meal that I'm going to use, Hellman. You can use Duke or whatever kind you want. I have some romaine lettuce right here. And I have some oregano, some red wine. This right here is some olive oil right up in there. And a little salt. Alright? Alright guys, I showed you all the ingredients that we're going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff together. I'm going to show you guys one of them that I'm going to put together. I've got a lot of them to do. That's just one of the bags that I'm going to be doing. And the reason why I ain't been uploading lately, I lost my auntie, my favorite auntie. She passed away in April. Then my nephew passed away. So I'm doing all this right here is for my other nephew, his brother. He's graduating today. So congratulations to you, Deshaun Grant. Alright, much love. Go ahead and put this together if I can take it to you today. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. First we're going to do, we're going to cut this bread. Like so. Alright, now if you like me, I like to take out some of this filling. I don't like a lot of bread, but you know, it's not like I'm gonna be eating all this bread anyway. So if you're the type that want to toast your bread, you can do that also, but I ain't finna do it right now because I got a lot of them to make. Alright, so we're gonna take us some meal like that. Both sides. Alright. We're going to come in here with some lettuce. Some tomatoes. Cucumbers, like that. Little bell pepper, just a little bit, not a lot. I slice mine super thin too. Some of these these red onions. I said green onions. Yep. Just a little bit. You don't want to overwhelm your sandwich now. Alright. Now, what I'm finna do now, I'm finna wash my knuckles because I just touched them onions. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Alright, since I'm back washing my knuckles, look at that. They washed, okay? I'm gonna give me some pepperines. Put a little bit on there. Like that. Alright. Then we're going to come in here with some ham. Just probably get like 3 of them. You see how wide it is, right? So we're just gonna fold them just like that, guys. Just like so. Put that in there. Now I'm gonna come with some hard salami right here. Okay, pepperoni. Now I want to come in here with some turkey. Get 2 slices of those. Like that. You could throw 3 on them if you want to. I just throw 3 on them. So we just throw 3 on there, like so. All right. Now I'm gonna come in here with some of this olive oil. We just spray this on there like so. Red wine vinegar on here. Oregano, a little bit. All right, and then finally a little salt. That's it. Now, fold this over. Like, well, nope. Hold on, we forgot the cheese, didn't we? We forgot some cheese, man. I'm going too fast already. Put some cheese on here. Going too fast, fam. I'm trying to get done. I got a lot of sandwiches to make. And some bacon. 3 of those. How about that? Now we can fold it. Alright? Take this top side right there. There you go. Copycat. What they call it, spicy Italian. There you go, fam. Let me just show you that up close. So you ain't gotta run to the store all the time. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of these up, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm finally done with this Copycat Subway Spicy Italian. That's how that looks. Alright, you ain't gotta always go to the Subway. You can make your own stuff at home, but even better. Alright, can't even see all of it. There's a lot of them. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, you already know, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love.